What's going on, guys? Today on the how-tos on an RX-7, we're gonna be fixing cosmetic problems such as rock chips on paint. Now, before we get started, there are some tools that you'll need. Not tools, but sandpapers and whatnot. So you can pick up all this stuff in your local auto parts. But as you can see here, it's a micro auto zip clean coat scratch surface or scuff removal kit. It comes with 2000 grit, 2500 and 3000 grit. Your paint with clear coat, and some wax and tar remover. You can either use this or alcohol to clean the surface. You'll also need some rags to wipe down, and I'm gonna prefer to do mine wet sanding, so a little sprayer with some water in it, you should be good to go. So it's been 24 hours after I put in some paint and some clear coat on the rock chips. So this is what it looks like now. What I'll do now is sand them again, sand them flat, and then I'll use my random orbital polisher and buff these out so they should be undetectable to the eye, and we'll see how they come out. And now this is how everything looks after you have buffed out the paint. It doesn't come out perfect, but you can't really tell in the video. I can't even tell in the video. It's, you have to look for the, yeah, I can't even tell in this video. Oh, there it is. If you could see that distortion in the paint, that's where the imperfection was, or the rock chip. So it does a pretty good job at hiding all the rock chips. This is where the 3 spots were, as you can tell. Very difficult to see. Same as with this one. There. Now there was one that I did not show you guys. It's at the back of the car, and it's pretty obvious when you look at the paint right there. You can tell, but if you really look at it from this angle, you can still tell, but it's nowhere near as visible. So your eye is not really drawn to it.
So people that are looking at the car won't really notice it unless they're really looking pretty hard. But it's there. There's another one here. There used to be a little mountain of paint. I had it right here. And you can't tell. Right there. You'll see the distortion in the paint. And that's how the car turns out at the end of all this. So if you guys like it, you know, just give it a try. It's a very fun experience. Don't be scared to do it. Just take your time and you'll have results similar to mine. Again, thank you guys and enjoy. Peace.